Get, man, and I'm buying it. I'm trying to find the barbecue sauce.
Could you tell me what radio you're off of right now of the Maverick VOR?
Radio. Gotta be on here.
Just can't do it, Captain.
Barbecue made me sleepy.
Got the itis.
Sleep weird.
Alright.
Bro, I'm so excited for NFL starting.
The most amount of views was my shittiest day whenever.
Yeah, the one where people hate me.
I just shit on Will.
I got this headset on. I can't hear you.
0420. 420.
420, baby.
Are you really high though, man?
Man, that barbecue was good. I feel so full right now.
Oh, man, me too.